Hey guys, Percy Fan 6 back here again, and today's review is going to be on Devious Diesel. Well, Diesel's just Diesel. He looks pretty good. He really matches his model series. Especially the face is really good on this model. He is dated 2003. We'll say 2002 though. Bottom says Diesel. His grills on the side is really good. He has a fair amount of detail. Nothing on the back though, unlike other models. But I don't blame him. I mean, he's a really good model. His little ladders right there. This side. His little doors right there. Pretty good model overall. But that's the goods with him. Let's get the goods out of the way and now to the bad. When we look at Diesel, he looks pretty good, but he's missing some stuff on him. And he's pretty simple to make. But only bad thing about this model, it's kind of hard to say, because there's not really that many bad flaws to him. He's a really good model, and if you look at him and you say Diesel, and then you look at the other Diesel, he's perfect together. They don't really have any bad flaws, unlike other models. But overall, Diesel is a really good model, and yeah, that was my 2-minute review. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this is Percy Fan 6 leaving the station. See y'all.